Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to create a cute little panda holding a heart, so it kind of looks like a teddy bear. You can find this template free of cost at animapuppy.com. I have pasted the link in the description box and you can check it out later. So to start making this paper craft, first you need to do the prep work, that is you need to cut out all the pieces from the template, then you need to score them, fold them, mark the numbers again and then start joining the pieces together. The first step in the prepping process is to cut out the template piece. So you will see solid lines and dotted lines on every template part. You need to cut along the solid lines and do not cut along the dotted lines. Once you have cut out the piece, you will need to create the crease lines for folding purposes, and for that you can use the metallic pencil. When you are creating the crease lines, be very gentle and do not press too hard, otherwise you will cut the paper completely. After you have completed the scoring, next step is transferring the numbers from the template back onto your cutout part so that you know which parts to join together later on. Last step is folding, and this is the most important step in the entire prep work because folding is what gives structure to your final 3D paper art. So you will see two kinds of lines in your template design. One will be simple dashed lines. If it's a simple dashed lines, then in that case you need to fold it inwards and it is also called as a valley fold. But if it is a dashed and dotted line, then in that case you need to fold it outwards and this is also called as a mountain fold. Follow the same process for rest of the pieces in your template design. And here are all the pieces prepped and ready to be assembled. To apply even thin layer of glue on the paper, I use a toothpick. I'm also using forceps to hold the pieces together after sticking where I cannot reach with my fingers. To start creating the low poly model, pick up the piece number 1 and see if you can find common numbers on the same piece. If yes, then apply thin layer of glue on the folded flaps and stick the two edges together. So we are starting first with the ears of the panda. We'll create both the ears, then we will start connecting it with the face. The ears are done now and we will proceed with the face. Throughout the entire craft work, the process will remain the same. Find two edges with the common numbers, apply the glue and stick them together. Let's start with eyes now. Once we have created both the eyes, then we will attach it to the face of the panda. With that last piece, we are finished with the panda, and now it's time to work on the heart. We have already prepped all the pieces for the heart, and we just follow the same process again. Find two edges with common numbers and stick them together. And now that the heart is also completed, put the heart in between the hands of the panda, and that's how your final low poly paper craft is going to look like. I hope you guys enjoyed making this panda with me. If you guys like this video, then please do not forget to share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel for regular videos on paper arts. I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.